What's up, everybody? Welcome back to BTerry Customs, probably on BTerry TV. I doubt it's actually on BTerry Customs main channel, but today we have 10 songs that I found in 2018 that I've enjoyed thus far throughout the year. You know, it's like the middle of February almost, and these are some songs in 2018 that I've really liked. And I know I haven't been on YouTube all that much, but I have some big goals set for myself in 2018, and I'm looking to achieve these goals right now, every day, every other day, uploads. You know, I'm trying to do what I can. I'm gonna grind harder than probably ever on YouTube. So I'm really getting back into it. Hope you guys enjoy. This little montage of the music videos with some text overlay is probably the technical video term of what's about to be happening. But I'm gonna have like a top 10 list, not necessarily in any order, just top 10 songs we're trying to put y'all on in 2018 that I've listened to thus far. Trying to get you guys into some new music if you guys do want it, you want my recommendations. Some of them are probably gonna be more for me and maybe not for you. But if you don't like some of this music, just find some songs you do like, because there's a wide range in here, I think. But of course, I enjoy all of these songs. So without any more bullshit, let's get right into it.
Pull up and wet the bar, sippin' on lean, that's why. All of my dish, she won't stop. I told her to give me some slop. Pull up, we drop the top. My niggas, they pop a lot. Cannot fuck with us. I throw and I buy all the shots. My bitch, she looking so bad. I'm in it, she calling me dad. She saying she miss what we had. Sorry, I fuck him in past. Coming through this just like I don't know better. Youngest here, make a nigga who better.
Didn't know how to sell crack, I was giving that hard away. So fucked up, I had to borrow play. That shit took my heart away, but I've been through harder days. Fuck that, I was just on Rinse Road with the heart before this hard away. I ain't asked now, nigga, for nothing. I took the heart away. 12 put me over, coming with the dope, they took my heart away. Pouring liquor for my nigga that gone, thug holiday. Young Penny hard away.
Shoot my shot and throw it right off the backboard. All these hoes around me, they gon' throw that ass back and forth. She got all the moves, she gon' ride me like a surfboard. But if she ain't on go, she gon' go right out the door. Fake friends, all I got is fake friends. Grinding all week, so I turn up on the weekend. Legend, I wanna be a legend. I'ma play the offense, so I never descend. Gelato got me flying in the sky, baby.
Shout out my niggas that stay down. That's why they still with me, I came up. Got some money and look what they saying now. But they tell you them niggas, they stand up. I manned up, and I turn $1 to 1,000, turn 1,000 to $1 million. Move my mind from public housing, had to put her in that mansion. From the hood I got her out it, and they tell me that I'm losing. Man, you niggas fucking wildin'. When they killed Lil Snoop, I took a L.
When I talk, I'm exhausting. I can't fuck with you, I know you an imposter. You can't hang with me if you ain't make the roster. I had a good girl, was fucking around and I lost her. So I don't give a fuck about a bitch, I got my racks up. Told him to back up, they don't wanna see me masked up. Now that I'm flexed up, niggas think they get a passport. You know I'm gassed up, they don't wanna see me turned up. I switch the flow up, bro nigga go get your cash up. The fuck you mad for?
It's different, it's different. Why they asking why we different? It's just different, it's different, it's different. Why they hating? Cause we different, because we did it. It's different, it's different. Why they asking why we different? It's just different, it's different, it's different. Why they hating? Cause we different, because we did it.
Ain't gon' trip about them bills, I'm like fuck that shit. I ain't gon' talk about my ex, I'm like fuck that bitch. Thank God, so I pray. We done came a long way. Maserati, Rolls Royce, first class, bird bag. I'm too blessed to be stressed. I'm too blessed to be stressed.
And they wishing on me. Yeah. Hey. She say, do you love me? I tell her only partly. I only love my bed and my mama, I'm sorry. 50 dub, I even got it tatted on me. 81, they'll bring the crashers to the party. And you know me. Lil Pump, chill. Look at my neck shine. Look at my wrist shine, chill. My diamond mom make you blind, chill. Let him in 5 at a time, ooh. I just be smoking on dope, chill. All of my diamonds are froze, ooh. Louis down head to my toe, chill. I just my body stove.
Yeah, I feel like a star, I need a foreign car. She say she not a fan, girl, I know you are. Yeah, I knew when I started I was going far. Just look at me now, they say I'm going hard. Yeah, it's going up, yeah, they show me love. I don't talk to no one, I feel like a foreigner. You ain't talking money, sorry, I'm ignoring y'all. They say I do too much.
Thank y'all for watching my first video back on YouTube officially. You know, I'm really back. I'm here. I'm making YouTube videos and I'm getting into it again. Hope you guys enjoyed some of the music. Hopefully I could put y'all on. Hopefully you searched up some songs as you were watching the video and saved some new songs to your playlist and got some new stuff popping for your car ride every single day going to school or whatever you're doing. So I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did like this video, drop a like, comment some of your favorite songs that you've heard in 2018, or if you liked any of the songs in these videos, comment down below. I'd really appreciate it with the feedback. And make sure you subscribe to this channel if you really could. It'd mean a lot. So thank you so much. B Terry Customs on B Terry TV. I'm out.